Hey everyone, welcome back to Rockin' A Adventures. My name is David. Today we're going to do a little walk around on my Jeep. I'm going to show you some of the upgrades I've done to it lately, so stick around. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to share it with all your friends, like, subscribe, comment on the videos. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what you like. Appreciate it. So y'all stick around, let me show you what I got going on here. All right, let's start with what's going on in the front of the Jeep. I took it over to Exodus 4x4 over in New Braunfels to beef up both of my Rubicon Dana 44 axles. We started off with welding in C-gussets and a truss from Evo Manufacturing. They removed my stock axle shafts and gears and replaced them with RCV chromoly shafts and 513 Revolution gears. We kept the stock electric lockers and covered everything up with some Poison Spider differential covers. Then the ball joints were replaced with Synergy Manufacturing heavy-duty adjustable ball joints. Since my stock sway bar end links were bent and the Rubicon quick disconnect stopped working, Exodus replaced them with Evo heavy-duty end links and No Limits Rubicon sway bar disconnect. For the steering, I replaced the stock tie rod and drag link with some Synergy Manufacturing components, and the plan is to upgrade to PSC hydraulic steering assist in the future. As far as the lift goes, along with some help from my father-in-law, we installed a Stage 2 Evo 4-inch plus ride suspension with Fox shocks. It took all weekend, but it handles way better than it used to. So the bumpers are made by SRC. I believe that's Smitty built. They were on the Jeep when I purchased it. I have added a Warn VR10 winch to the front, along with a little light bar that I found at Tractor Supply. The light bar isn't the best, but it does help shed a little light on the side of the roads and a little bit further down the trail to help out the headlights. Moving around to the side of the Jeep, the fenders and rock sliders were on the Jeep when I bought it also, and they are made by SRC. That rock slider is going to have to go. It hangs down too low and it is not strong enough for what I want to do with it. The tire carrier is also by SRC. As for the rear axle, when Exodus went to install my new gears, they found out that my axle shaft was twisted. So after talking to Bubba, we decided to replace them with Revolution Discovery Series chromoly shafts. They also replaced the diff cover with a Poison Spider, just like in the front. Here's a picture of the twisted shaft. So the fuel wheels also came on the Jeep with 35-inch Toyo tires. I've replaced them with 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss mud terrains. Man, these tires are awesome. So that's about it for the walk around today. I want to thank everybody for checking this out and supporting our channel. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and like the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more of this, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.